Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain TickPick app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the in-depth review about TickPick. TickPick is a ticket buying app that lets user purchase ticket for concert, sport event, and theater shows with a major highlight using its no hidden service fee. This often make it cheaper than competitors like StarHub or SeatGeek. The app features smart tools like best seat rating, interactive seat map, 360-degree views, and price alert, so you can get the best deal. User can pay via credit card, Apple Pay, or PayPal, and most reports smooth delivery and easy buying experience. TickPick also offer a buyer trust guarantee, which promise valid ticket or your money back. That said, a few users have reported a slow customer support or delay with ticket delivery, especially for last-minute events. In rare cases, customers received refund instead of replacement ticket. While this complaint exists, most reviews across platforms are positive, and the app hold a solid 4.7 plus rating on other medias. And overall, about this platform, TickPick is what if you are looking for a simple, free ticketing app with a clear pricing and a solid buyer protection. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.